Okay, so last question then I was asked was question 12, sample paper H. So you're told cold packs are applied externally or to swollen or injured body parts to relieve pain and swelling. They contain ammonium nitrate and water. When you squeeze the bag, the ammonium nitrate comes into contact with the water and a chemical reaction occurs. You're asked, is this reaction an example of an endo or an exothermic reaction? So when I put on the ice pack, we'll say whatever part of the body, will say it's my hand, the hand gets cold. So because of that, heat is being taken into the pack. So that means heat is being taken in from the surroundings. So it is an endothermic reaction. Remember, an exothermic reaction produces heat. Next, you're asked then, a student was asked to investigate the energy changes that take place in a chemical reaction between a piece of magnesium and hydrochloric acid. Describe how this should be carried out, name each piece of equipment and draw a label diagram. So you add 20 centimetres cubed, or any amount, doesn't have to be 20, of hydrochloric acid to a test tube using a syringe or a graduated cylinder. And then you just add in the magnesium ribbon and you observe what happens. And what you notice is the result is that bubbles of gas are given off. And this is the diagram. So my test tube, 20 centimetres cubed of my hydrochloric acid. I add in my magnesium ribbon and I notice bubbles of gas. I could put a stopper on this, and when I do put a stopper on it, and when I place a lighted taper, it burns with a pop. Okay, and that shows that hydrogen is given off. Now, you don't need that much detail, but you do obviously need the test tube, 20 centimetres cubed of the hydrochloric acid, and your metal of magnesium added as well. Then you're asked the student recorded a rise in the temperature, so that means heat is produced in the reaction, which makes it an exothermic. And then you're asked to draw an energy profile diagram. So energy is on my y-axis, progress of reaction is on my x, my reactants are here, my activation energy is my line from my reactants to my top of my curve. And for an exothermic reaction, my product line is always below my line of my reactants. The difference then between my reactant line and my product line is my delta H.